This is my favorite toy car. It is very colorful with blue and yellow paint. The car has 4 large brown wheels. It has 2 red seats and a steering wheel inside. I love to play with my toy car every day. Page 69.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.